Get ready for a market shakeup. Rothschild Co Redburn just boosted Alphabet's price objective to a staggering $430, signaling a massive potential upside of over 16%. This buy rating from Rothschild Co Redburn isn't just a nod. It's a full-throated endorsement of Alphabet's future, and we're diving deep into what this means for investors. Will Alphabet continue its upward trajectory, or are there other factors at play? We've got all the exclusive details right here, so stick around.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
And the positive analyst action continues. BMO Capital Markets has followed suit, raising their price target for Alphabet even further to $435, with an outperform rating. This latest upgrade suggests a potential upside of nearly 17.55% from its current trading price, igniting even more excitement in the market. What's driving this renewed confidence, and which other firms are weighing in on Alphabet's explosive growth potential? Find out next. The bullish sentiment is reaching new heights. This time, it's the Goldman Sachs Group that has significantly upped its price target for Alphabet, now setting it at an impressive $450 with a firm buy rating. This move alone suggests over a 21% potential upside, indicating that Wall Street sees tremendous value in Alphabet's ongoing innovations and market dominance. We're breaking down the specifics of this ambitious forecast and exploring what it means for your portfolio. In closing out our analyst spotlight, Citigroup is joining the ranks, slapping a fresh $447 price target on Alphabet, reiterating their strong buy rating. This latest target implies a jaw-dropping 20.8% upside from current levels, showing a unified front of optimism from major financial institutions. Don't miss our full breakdown of these market-moving analyst calls and their implications. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alphabet Nasdaq, GOOGL, is experiencing a surge of positive analyst sentiment, with Rothschild Co Redburn significantly raising its price objective to $430, a potential 16.2% upside from current levels. This bullish outlook is echoed by a chorus of other financial institutions. Loop Capital, Roth MKM, and DBS Bank have all reiterated buy ratings and increased their price targets, while UBS Group has set a $410 target. Raymond James Financial has even upgraded its rating to strong buy. Collectively, these reports paint a picture of strong investor confidence, with the vast majority of analysts recommending buy or strong buy for GOOGL. This optimism comes on the heels of Alphabet's robust quarterly earnings, where the information services giant reported an earnings per share, EPS, of $5.11, significantly beating the consensus estimate, and revenues that surpassed expectations. Looking ahead, analysts anticipate further earnings growth for the current fiscal year. Despite recent insider selling activity, including transactions by Chief Accounting Officer Amy Thuner O'Toole and CEO Sundar Pichai, institutional investors continue to steadily increase their holdings in Alphabet. Hedge funds and other institutional players now own approximately 40.03% of the company's stock, underscoring its appeal in the broader market. Alphabet, the holding company behind Google and its diverse portfolio of technology ventures, including Google Cloud, maintains a strong financial profile, characterized by a substantial market capitalization and healthy liquidity ratios. Alphabet Nasdaq, GOOGL, is experiencing significant analyst attention, with BMO Capital Markets notably increasing its price target to $435, signaling a potential 17.55% upside from its current trading price. This upward revision is part of a broader trend, as numerous research firms have recently reaffirmed buy ratings for the tech giant. Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft, Royal Bank of Canada, and Guggenheim are among those expressing strong confidence, with Guggenheim setting a target of $450. President Capital and Pivotal Research also issued buy ratings with adjusted price targets of $375 and $420, respectively. Overall, the sentiment among analysts is overwhelmingly positive, with a combined 49 buy or strong buy ratings versus just 4 hold ratings. The stock, currently trading around $370.05, boasts a market capitalization of $4.48 trillion. Alphabet recently reported robust quarterly earnings, with EPS of $5.11, significantly surpassing analyst expectations of $2.64, and revenue of $109.9 billion, exceeding the consensus estimate. The company demonstrated strong financial health with a return on equity of 35.01% and a net margin of 32.81%. In terms of insider activity, there have been notable sales by executives John Kent Walker and John L. Hennessy, but these are counterbalanced by substantial investments from major institutional players like Norges Bank and Berkshire Hathaway Inc., with institutional ownership standing at 40.03%. Despite the positive analyst outlook, a separate advisory suggests that while Alphabet holds a moderate buy rating, other stocks may present even more compelling investment opportunities, urging investors to consider these alternatives before committing to Alphabet. Goldman Sachs has significantly boosted its price target for Alphabet Nasdaq, GOOGL, raising it from $400 to $450 and maintaining a buy rating. This new target suggests a potential upside of 21.61% for the information services giant. This analyst optimism is echoed across Wall Street, with MoffettNathanson increasing its target to $350, HSBC to $435, and Evercore to $420, all while issuing buy or outperform ratings. Raymond James Financial even upgraded its rating to strong buy. Currently, the consensus among analysts is a moderate buy, with 2 strong buys, 47 buys, and 4 holds. Alphabet stock, which opened at $370.05 on Thursday, has seen a 52-week range from $147.84 to $377.04. The company reported robust earnings in its last quarter, with earnings per share of $5.11, well above estimates of $2.64, and revenue of $109.9 billion, surpassing expectations. In recent insider activity, CEO Sundar Pichai sold over 32,500 shares for approximately $10.9 million, and CAO Amy Thuner O'Toole also divested shares. Despite these sales, insiders collectively hold 11.55% of the company's stock. Institutional investors have also been active, with significant new stakes and increased holdings reported by several firms. Alphabet, the holding company behind Google and a suite of innovative technologies, continues to be a major player in cloud computing and digital advertising. Citigroup analysts have significantly boosted their price target for Alphabet Nasdaq, GOOGL, raising it from $405 to $447. This latest upgrade, issued Thursday, suggests a potential upside of 20.8% from the current stock price and maintains a strong buy recommendation. This move follows a series of positive analyst ratings, with DZ Bank reiterating a buy and Wedbush, China Renaissance, Canaccord Genuity Group, and KeyCorp all issuing buy or outperform ratings with revised price targets ranging from $370 to $450. Overall, the sentiment among analysts is overwhelmingly positive, with 49 buy ratings and only 4 hold ratings, reflecting a moderate buy average on platforms like Channel YouTube with an average target price of $385.27. Alphabet stock opened at $370.05 on Thursday, trading within its 52-week range of $147.84 to $377.04. Financially, The company demonstrates a healthy debt-to-equity ratio of 0.11 and solid liquidity with current and quick ratios of 2.01. Its market capitalization stands at an impressive $4.48 trillion. Recent earnings reports show Alphabet exceeding expectations, with Q1 EPS coming in at $5.11, significantly higher than the consensus estimate of $2.64, and revenue reaching $109.9 billion against projections of $106.59 billion. Despite this strong performance, insider selling has been notable in the past 90 days, with corporate insiders selling over $94 million worth of stock, though they still retain 11.55% ownership. Meanwhile, institutional investors are actively increasing their positions, with notable acquisitions and stake boosts from entities like CIBC Bancorp USA Inc. and Sovereign Advisors LLC. While Alphabet remains a dominant force in information services and cloud computing, a separate report from Channel YouTube highlights 5 other stocks that top analysts are quietly recommending, suggesting potential alternatives for investors seeking immediate opportunities.